Hello, everyone. Welcome to See a Final Audit Walking Talking Series. Episode 23. Today's topic Clause 4, Part 1. Second Schedule to the Chartered Accountant Act. 1949. A chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he expresses his opinion on financial statements of any business or enterprise in which he, his firm, or a partner in his firm has a substantial interest. Points to be remember. Auditor must be independent in mind and appearance. Audit not allowed if substantial interest exists. Substantial interest includes CA, partner, or relative. Financial statements include audit, certificates, and all attest functions. Restriction on Auditor A. In non-company cases, CA as owner or partner cannot audit same entity. Partner or relative having interest in the entity, then CA cannot audit the same entity. B. In company cases, in following cases, CA cannot audit the same company. If CA is director or employee of company, CA holding security or interest in company, partner as employee or officer of the company, relative act as a director or KMP in the company, relative holding shares greater than 1 lakh rupees in the company. C. ICAI restriction. Employee CA cannot certify own company statements. Statutory auditor cannot be internal auditor. Internal auditor cannot be tax auditor. Internal auditor and GST auditor cannot be same. Auditor cannot write books of auditee. D. Other restriction, audit of relatives concern not allowed. College audit if CA is lecturer not allowed. Trust audit if partner is trustee/employee not allowed. A. Cooling period, no audit for 2 years after being director.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow for more videos.